Zones is a new, customizable Pulse dashboard which allows you to group sensors into zones specific to your grow operation. Zones feature batch and phase tracking, which helps you keep track of where and when different plant batches are within your facility. Automatically track the current day, week, and phase of each batch. No more counting days on the calendar. Data points from multiple devices can now be averaged. Customize your zone to best fit your needs. Assign multiple device and sensor types, create subzones, and enable batch tracking or data averaging. Track your plant batches and their phase progress. Set your batch name, phase, and expected maturity date, and the app will handle the rest for you. Compare data from multiple sensors on the same graph. Easily identify outliers and problem areas. Want to view the data from a single sensor in your zone? Simply tap on the name of the sensor and view all the data you need.